creating a modern app UI usually takes hours of wireframing, prototyping, building design systems, refining layouts, and constantly switching between different tools. But what if AI could handle most of that workflow for you and even work directly inside Figma? In this video, we're going to test one of the most impressive AI design platforms I've seen recently, UX Pilot, and its brand new Figma AI agent called Nodey. Using nothing but prompts, we're going to generate a complete modern banking application, build a clickable prototype, convert the app into a desktop version, and even generate UI directly inside Figma. And honestly, what makes this tool really stand out is that unlike many AI design platforms, Nodey actually works where designers already work every day, inside Figma itself, making the whole workflow feel much faster and more natural. So if you're a UI UX designer, web developer, freelancer, or someone interested in AI-powered workflows, this video is definitely going to be interesting for you. So with no further ado, let's get started. So guys, right now we are on the official website of UX Pilot. UX Pilot is an AI-powered design platform that helps you create modern UI designs, user flows, and complete app interfaces using simple prompts. Now, all you need to do is open the first link down below in the description box of this video, and it will take you right here. Then go ahead and create your own UX Pilot account. Once you sign in, you'll land on this dashboard. Over here on the left side, we have features like published websites, frameworks, and also the UX Pilot Figma plugin. And recently, UX Pilot released a new AI agent called Nodey. Nodey is basically an AI design assistant that works directly inside Figma. It can help you generate UI kits, app screens, and complete user flows while also reusing your existing styles and components. And compared to tools like Anthropic Design or Google Stitch, the biggest advantage of Nodey is that it works directly inside Figma, so your entire workflow stays much faster and more seamless. So first, let's create a brand new project and test the UX Pilot environment before moving into its Figma plugin features. To do that, go ahead and click on the New File option right here. For this demo, I'm going to create a modern banking application design. So first, I'll give the project a name. You can also add extra file context like the theme, color palette, layout style, and overall design direction. But since I'm going to provide UX Pilot with a detailed prompt later on, I'll skip these settings for now and simply create the new file. All right, once the project opens up, you'll notice that UX Pilot gives us two different creation modes. Over here in the top left section, we have Studio mode and Chat mode. Now, chat mode is the simpler option. You basically describe the design you want, and UX Pilot generates it for you automatically. But Studio mode gives you much more control over the design process, the structure, and the overall direction of the project. So right here, you can choose between generating a wireframe or a hi-fi design, depending on the type of project you want to create. Next, since we're creating a mobile application first, I also need to switch the screen format from desktop to mobile. And now comes the most important part. The prompt. One of the best features of UX Pilot is that it can generate an entire user flow with multiple connected screens for your app, instead of just creating a single isolated page. So for this project, I'm going to provide a reference design image and ask UX Pilot to recreate, enhance, and customize the design so it matches my own branding, layout style, and visual identity. So I'll go ahead and upload this screenshot directly into the chat, and then I'll paste in my prompt. The prompt says, recreate this modern dark neumorphism mobile banking UI for a fintech app called NeoVault, using the exact color palette and gradients from the reference image. And then throughout the rest of the prompt, I describe the colors, spacing, layouts, visual hierarchy, sections, and overall UI direction in much more detail. Now, right below the prompt box, you'll notice two different toggle options, Deep Design and Max Mode. You can enable Max Mode if you want much more detailed and higher quality results. Just keep in mind that it also uses more credits during the generation process. All right, next we have the Flow Steps section. You can either manually define every screen and user step yourself, or simply let the AI generate the entire flow automatically. So I'll select the AI option, and within a few moments, UX Pilot will start generating the complete app flow for us. Once the AI finishes generating the flow steps, we can go ahead and review every single screen one by one. We can edit them, remove unnecessary steps, rearrange the order, or reposition different parts of the flow however we want. And right below that, we also have two additional options, one for adding a completely new step manually, and another for regenerating the entire flow from scratch. Now, finally, at the bottom of this section, we have some really powerful setup options for the design system and UI variants. If you selected the Hi-Fi design option earlier, then over here in the model selector, you'll also unlock the ability to use the UX Pilot Figma plugin together with your own design system. And this feature is honestly a game changer because it allows you to upload your own Figma components, generate UI designs that perfectly match your brand identity, and reuse the same design system both inside the UX Pilot web platform and directly inside Figma. So instead of getting random AI generated styles every single time, UX Pilot can actually follow your existing component structure, spacing, typography, colors, and visual language. But at the same time, using this theme dropdown right here, we can also import or create a completely custom theme from scratch. We can fine-tune things like the color palette, border radius, typography, shadows, gradients, and overall effect styles. So basically, once your theme is configured, you can reuse it across the entire project with just a single click. But for this demo, I actually want to put UX Pilot's AI designer into a real challenge. So instead of relying on a predefined design system, I'm going to let the AI generate this entire banking app flow using nothing but detailed prompts and instructions. So now all I need to do is hit the generate button and wait for UX Pilot to create our full app design. And finally, the generation is complete. So let's quickly review the Flow UX Pilot created for us. First, we have this beautiful welcome screen with a premium dark neumorphism style and glowing UI elements. Next is the login page, featuring a super clean layout with modern input fields and smooth spacing. Then we have the sign-up screen. After that comes the identity verification page, using progress indicators and minimal UI to simplify the KYC process. So as you can see, UX Pilot has successfully generated every essential screen needed for a modern banking application, turning a simple prompt into a complete app design. From authentication and onboarding screens to dashboards, payments, analytics, transfers, and profile settings, as you can see, almost every single screen looks incredibly polished and visually consistent right out of the box. The only small issue we currently have is on this Send Money page, where the Continue button is slightly overlapping the bottom navigation area, but this is actually where UX Pilot becomes really powerful because fixing issues like this only takes a few seconds. So first, I'll select the page, and right here at the top, we can see the edit option. Once I open that, UX Pilot gives us three different editing modes. First, we have Global Edit, which lets us enter a new prompt and regenerate an updated version of the entire screen. Next, we have Section Edit, where we can target a specific component or section on the page and modify only that area. And finally, we have Manual Edit, which allows us to adjust the design ourselves manually. So to fix this layout issue, let's test the Global Edit feature. Once I select it, this small panel opens on the right side where I can simply describe the problem using a prompt. So I'll type something like, on this page, the Continue button is overlapping the bottom navigation section. Fix this issue. To help the AI understand the layout issue more accurately, I'm also going to take a screenshot of this page and upload it directly into the chat. That's it. Now I just hit the Generate button, and within a few seconds, UX Pilot creates a brand new improved version of the page. All right, now the button placement already looks much better, but I still want to move these checking in amount cards slightly higher to improve the spacing and overall balance of the layout. So once again, I'll use the Global Edit feature and ask UX Pilot to refine the composition a little more. Take a quick screenshot of the exact section I want to improve, upload it here, and there we go. Now the layout feels much cleaner, more balanced, and much closer to a real production-ready mobile app design. From here, you can also switch back to any of the previous generated versions whenever you want. In addition to the edit section, we also have this code option right here. And through this feature, you can access the full HTML source code of the selected design, review it, and even export the entire implementation. Next, we have the generate section. This allows us to create additional versions of the design, like a full desktop layout or even a clickable interactive prototype. So first, let's test the desktop version feature. I'll select the option, and there we go. Just like that, UX Pilot automatically converts the mobile banking app into a polished desktop interface while keeping the same visual style and design system across the project. All right, now it's time to create a clickable prototype. To do that, I'll simply select all of the mobile app screens, click on Generate, and then choose Generate Prototype. Now, from the panel on the right side, all I need to do is hit the generate button one more time, and that's it. Now, UX Pilot will automatically connect all of the screens together and transform our static UI into a fully clickable prototype experience. And honestly, this is incredibly useful for designers, founders, and project managers who want to walk into meetings with something real and interactive instead of just static screens. All right, now it's time to explore one of the most exciting features of UX Pilot, especially if you're a Figma designer. UX Pilot recently introduced a new AI agent called Nodey, and what makes Nodey really special is that it works directly inside Figma itself. Unlike Anthropic Design or Google Stitch, Nodey actually lives inside the environment designers already use every day, which makes the entire workflow feel much faster and more natural. So first, we need to install the UX Pilot Figma plugin. I'll go ahead, create a new Figma file, and immediately launch the UX Pilot plugin so we can test Nodey ourselves. Now here, I simply need to sign in with my UX Pilot account. And once you log in, you'll see this chat interface where you can directly interact with Nodey using prompts. From here, you can ask the AI to generate complete UI kits, create app screens, or even design full user flows for you. So just as an example, I'm going to ask Nodey to generate a UI kit. You can provide any website URL you want as a design reference, and Nodey will analyze it and recreate its visual system. For this demo, I'm going to use the Allwords website. Next, I'll switch from standard mode to max mode for higher quality results and hit the send button. And that's it. Now, Nodey immediately starts analyzing the website to generate the full UI kit, including the design system, components, typography, spacing, and layout patterns. And there we go. The UI kit is now ready. Starting from the left side, Nodey generated the color palette and typography system, including brand colors, text hierarchy, spacing rules, and button styles. In the middle section, we have the core UI components like buttons, form elements, tags, switches, cards, and reusable interface patterns. And finally, on the right side, Nodey generated complete layout structures and page sections, including navigation systems, content blocks, cards, dashboards, grids, and footer layouts, all based on the visual style of the original website. Great. Now what I'm going to do is select all three of these UI kit pages. And as you can see, once they're selected, they automatically get attached to the chat box right here. Now I can simply enter a prompt like this. Using the generated UI kit, create the complete user flow for EtherOS, a futuristic AI-powered desktop application for productivity, analytics, automation, and workspace management. And that's it. Now down here in the bottom left corner, we also have this Use My Components option. This allows Nodey to reuse the exact styles, layouts, and components from our generated UI kit, which helps keep the entire project visually consistent. So once everything is ready, all we need to do is hit the send button and wait for the AI to generate the interface for us. And there we go. Just like that, with the power of Nodey, we can generate complete UI designs directly inside Figma using nothing but simple prompts. Now, let's say we want to create a light mode version of this login page. To do that, all we have to do is select the page, enter a simple prompt describing the change, and hit send. And within seconds, Nodey generates a fully redesigned light mode version while still preserving the same layout and design structure. And the same workflow applies if we want a mobile version of the screen. Simply select the design, enter the prompt, and Nodey will generate a responsive mobile adaptation in just a few clicks. And honestly, that's what makes UX Pilot's Figma plugin so impressive. Nodey doesn't just generate random concepts. It actually works with your existing layouts, components, and design systems directly inside Figma, making the entire design workflow dramatically faster, smoother, and far more production ready. As you saw, UX Pilot and Nodey can seriously speed up the entire UI/UX workflow, from generating full app flows and prototypes to designing directly inside Figma using simple prompts. If you want to try it yourself, make sure to check out the links down below in the description. I'll also leave any available discount codes, free trials, and all the resources used in this tutorial there as well. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more content about AI tools, UI/UX design, Figma, and modern web development. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.